Hey everybody, it's Ryan from SportRx and we are on the Prospector boat at beautiful Catalina Island. I am hanging out here with my friend Bob, who is the California community leader for the Costa Bros. And today he's going to teach us how to catch barracuda and some good tips and techniques. So make sure to stay tuned and check out the video. So Bob, we've been out here for about 4 hours now just trying to catch some calico bass, some barracuda and bonita. And what are some of your best tips and techniques for catching barracuda? You know, what type of fish are they, why are they here, and kind of what is the best way to attack them?
So for Catalina, the best way to get the barracuda is come over to the island with live bait, either anchovies or
that's
sardines.
What we had today,
And we're gonna be fly lining our live baits. Again, anchovies work great, sardines work good. You want to start, you want to pick out a nice lively bait in the bait tank.
Gotcha.
One that's got all its scales, very lively. Wet your hand. You don't want a dry hand when you reach in and get your bait. You're gonna fly line that bait, nose hook it or collar hook it, get it out away from the boat, and on the bite count to 3, like I showed you. Put it in gear, wind tight. Hopefully you get a barracuda. So live bait is very productive over here. You're bringing either anchovies or sardines to the island and lighten these coves up for barracuda. Another fun way to catch barracuda, it's more experienced, talented angler, is to cast the surface iron.
Gotcha.
And Taddy makes some great barracuda jigs. Salas makes some good barracuda jigs. Barracuda like blue and white, purple and white, black and white. And it's a long cast. Horizontal to the structure and a slow and steady wind, and those barracuda will come up and eat the jig. A lot of anglers like fishing barracuda on the surface iron because you can grab the jig and easy release, and you're not clipping off the hooks every fish. So when they're really thick, a lot of the experienced anglers will go to the iron to catch and release barracuda.
You talked a lot about bait today, and so why is it that if a bait has any cut or it's a little bit of blood but it's still moving around, why are they not attracted to that?
Yeah, so the game fish here at the island, they're programmed to chase down a bait. It's a cat and mouse game. If your bait is beat up, doesn't have all its scales, a red nose, it doesn't look natural, and the bigger fish are not going to eat it. It's just in their DNA not to eat the more lively the bait is, the chase goes on and you'll catch way more fish. So I always tell anglers, your first order of business, picking the best live bait you can.
If not, just throw it out there.
Yeah, you don't want those ones that are missing scales, a red nose, eyeball that's all out of whack. You'll catch some small fish on, but not the good game fish.
Gotcha. And barracuda, is it big in California or is it big everywhere? Is it a year-round fish? What is?
Yeah, it's typically a spring and fall.
Spring and fall, fishery.
The barracuda usually move into Southern California bite in April. Sometimes, early March, and when the barracuda come in, the boats fill up, the charter boats are out there. It's a lot of fun. If you keep good care of a legal barracuda, ice them down, bleed them, they're not bad. On the grill.
Awesome.
Yeah, but barracuda, growing up here as a kid, it's a staple for Southern California.
Very true, very true. Well, awesome. That was a lot of great information on tips and tricks on how to catch barracuda and the best way, to get them in the boat. So if you like this video, please give us a subscribe and give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments box. We'll make sure to get back to you. Bob and I are gonna go catch some barracuda now. Later.